Hey everybody, it's about 5:30 p.m. and I am at the laundromat. The laundromat is where you take your dirty clothes to wash them. And your dirty clothes can also be called laundry. So what am I doing at the laundromat? I can say that I am washing my clothes. Or I can say that I am doing my laundry. And maybe you don't have the word my. That's okay too. I'm washing clothes. I'm doing laundry. So I usually do laundry on the weekend. I usually wash clothes on the weekend. Or if you're British, you can say at the weekend. But American people say on the weekend. So I like to do laundry on the weekend. Right now, I'm at the laundromat. You can see these machines that are not really behind me, they're actually over here. These machines are called washing machines. So you put your clothes in the washing machine. And maybe you have a machine that you use after that. And that machine makes your clothes dry. That machine dries your clothes. That machine is called a dryer. And when you put your clothes in a washing machine, there's usually two things that you put in the machine with your clothes. You have fabric detergent. Fabric detergent is like the soap. It's the liquid that cleans the clothes. And then you have fabric softener. Fabric softener is the extra liquid that you can put in the machine to make your clothes softer and to make them smell better. So, if you have one machine that washes the clothes and you have another machine that dries the clothes, what you would do is you would take your dirty clothes or take your dirty laundry and put it in the washing machine. Then you pour your fabric detergent into the washing machine and you pour your fabric softener into the washing machine, and then you wash the clothes. And when the clothes are finished washing, you remove them from the washing machine and you put them in the dryer. And when the clothes are finished drying, you remove the clothes from the dryer. So right now I'm actually waiting for my clothes to finish drying. They should be done in about 1 minute, and then I will go home and I will fold my clothes. Or for some of the shirts, I will hang them, means I will put them up on a rack.